Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog, and today dumating na yung package namin. Kasi sinong package nito?
Hello, Entrico. Thank you so much.
Entrego. So, i-open na natin, i-unbox na natin yung package. Ito yung Maono. Ayan.
Sus ko, baka naman laman nito ba to?
Ang tagal dumating, mga 3 weeks ata to bago siya dumating kasi andito pa kami sa Mindanao. So, ayan, ito yung Maono USB microphone, condenser microphone.
Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. I just got home from my friend's house, and I was able to actually play around with the microphone, and as far as I can see, it's really good. Okay, I must say it's actually same as the Blue Yeti. Okay, Blue Yeti condenser mic, which is a lot expensive than this, but the quality is very much the same. So like I said, this is a premium USB microphone, a multifunctional vocal studio in your pocket. So this one, it's Maono or Maono or Maono, I don't know how you pronounce that, and this is its original stand. Okay, so just in case that you wanted to use it in the future. Now, there are 3 reasons why I purchased this mic. First is the budget. Okay, this is 3,500, but because there was a sale in Lazada, that's why I was able to save around 500. So I just purchased this for 3,003 pesos. So it's really amazing, and I was able to grab it immediately when the promo begins to show up. Now, the second reason is the functionality. The functionality of this phone is very impressive because it has 2 types of patterns. The 2 types of patterns for recording is polar pattern or omnidirectional, and the other one is cardioid patterns. Okay, so polar pattern is, if you are actually on a meeting and you wanted to record everyone's conversation in the meeting, so you can put it on the table, and you have to enable the omnidirectional pattern to it, so that because this has like a back-to-back microphone, or I don't know what's going on inside of this microphone over here, but it can really capture the entire sound in your in your area. Okay, so that's how. But the only the downside, not really the big deal, but the downside of activating the omnidirectional pattern is that it has a lot of haze going on in the sound. But anyway, that's perfectly fine because the microphone tried to capture everything that the environment is telling it to record. Okay, the next pattern is the cardioid, meaning this is most common to the condenser mic. The cardioid is activated then it only records in front of the camera. It only captured all the sound that are coming in front of the microphone here. Okay, this is really good if you are, you know, doing some podcast or video tutorial, if you're having like video calling with your friends and your family on Facebook or Skype or even Zoom. Okay, and it also has like this adjustment, which is I really love. Okay, this is a gain adjustment, which means it will allow you to control how many gain that you're allowing to the mic to be captured. Okay, so me, in my case, I normally adjust it to around 50 or 40. I'm just playing around with it, because the more gain you are going to do, like if you're going to maximize the gain, then the more the microphone can be so sensitive, and chances are it may, or it will definitely gonna capture all the background noise. Not unless if you have like an audio studio type room, okay, that you can do. This is perfectly fine. All right, and then you can also like click it. If you click it, then this little hole here, this will turn into red. That means that if you press it for the first time, it will mute the mic, and if you press it again, it will automatically enable the mic to be recording. Now this one here, this is the adjustment for your audio or recording monitoring or your headset. Okay, this is actually the volume of your headset. It's very nice. You can adjust it, you know, it's really up to you. Now here at the back of it, let me just flip it. This is where you connect the USB Type-C connector, okay, here, and go straight directly to your computer, or you can connect it through to your mobile phone. Okay, USB Type-C to USB Type-C if your phone uses USB Type-C, or micro USB, okay, 3.0. It's fine. This is also where you insert your headphone or your headset or earbuds, okay, for audio or recording monitoring. So you can pretty much hear your own voice without any latency, because it offers a zero latency, which is I really love the most. This is where you're gonna help. I mean, this is really helpful for you to adjust whether you need to move closer to the microphone or move a little bit far from the microphone, so that you will not gonna have any problem in terms of you talking and listening to your own voice. Now, as you can see, there is also another adjustment, like you can press it up or move it down. So this is like the polar pattern. If you are on a meeting or if you are talking to someone in front of you, you can enable it by moving it up. But if you are recording it on your own using the cardioid pattern, then you should like moving it like that. That's how you enable it. It can really work for both computer and mobile phone, for as long as your phone supports OTG. Okay, then you are good to go. Later on, I'm gonna record myself using this this condenser mic, and let's do it. I'm just gonna set it first. Can't yeah, so now you can hear me, but a while ago you were not able to hear me because I pressed this this button here and the microphone was on mute. Now this is how I sound, okay, now using the microphone, and at the moment I am enabling the cardioid pattern, so this is how it sounds. Now, like I said, the cardioid pattern, it only records the one that is in front of it. Okay, every sound or every noise, okay, that are coming from in the front of this microphone, it records. Okay, now I'm gonna try to adjust the gain. Okay, this one over here. Look at that. As I increase the gain, you can now basically hear me more. but at the same time it also captured some of the background noise already. We have some dogs there outside, and you can pretty much hear if they are going to bark, and some transportation noise going on, you can hear. So the more gain you adjust, the more background noise that you can hear from the background. Now I'm gonna put it back to around 40. So this is actually the 40% of the gain. Okay, this is really, really helpful. Now, next is we're gonna change the pattern into polar pattern or omnidirectional. So let me just switch it. Okay, so this is how it sounds. It's a little bit weird and kind of like, I don't know how to explain this, but the microphone tend to record the entire sound that are coming in this direction, okay, in anywhere, because it's polar directional pattern. So let's try to test if this can really record from behind, from the left, from the top. So let's see. So I am now talking and talking and talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. So you can see that it really still records my voice while moving from one direction to another. So look at that. So this is really helpful if you're in having an interview with your friends, or talking, or some documentation with some people. So this is really work. And then let's try here on the top. Okay, so yeah, it also works. I can hear myself talking. All right, so this is how it sound. Okay, 1 inch closer to the microphone. This is how I sound 12 inches away from the microphone. This is how I sound 20 inches away from the microphone. Okay, now let's go back to Cardioid. All right, so let's try to do a testing. Okay. Hello, I am now talking and talking and talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. So as you can see, it fades my voice. It's kind of rejecting the voice that are coming from behind of the microphone. And let's see, while I'm talking, I'm also moving away from front of it, and here in this side, so as you can see, less voice are being captured. And then here on the top, let's see. Okay, hello, 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 talking. All right, so this is how it sounds 1 inch closer to the microphone. This is how I sound 12 inches away from the microphone. This is how I sound 20 inch away from the microphone. All right, so that's how this microphone really works, and I love it. So it's directly connected to my phone, okay, and yeah, it really works with Smule. If you like to sing, We Sing app, it really works perfectly nice. And this microphone produce a very much great quality voice. And you might be thinking that I'm not using any pop filter. That is because my pop filter hasn't arrived yet. But most of the podcaster, I don't know if that's the right term, they tend to use this pop filter so that it will it will not gonna record this kind of like pee pop poo kind of a noise that is really annoying. Like, for example, give me pizza pronto, give me pizza pronto. So look, you can see like a P going on, the buh. So just to get rid of that, that's why people tend to use this pop filter. And the foam, you can also use that. So unfortunately, I'm still waiting for my pop filter to arrive. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to see if I can also do some, you know, singing with this. So yeah. I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. I'm jealous of the rain. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching to my full review of this Maono Fairy, okay, 903 condenser mic. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.